So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on P on your keyboard. Now you're going to find print spooler. Here it is. Double click on it. Make sure you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will then make the server status running, and then click on OK. Now you want to right click on print spooler and then click on restart. You want to restart the service. See if this works for you. If that's still not working for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in Bluetooth and other device settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on more devices and printer settings. And then once this comes up, you now want to find your printer. You want to right click on it and then click on see what's printing. Just so you know if there's any documents in here, it's going to get removed. So now you're going to click on printer and then click on cancel all documents. It will now remove all the documents here. See if that works for you. And now for the next method, you're going to head over to search again and type in find and fix problems with printing. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on next. Wait for this to load. If it finds anything, it will try to fix it for you. And now for the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in printers and scanners. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on your printer and then click on remove. And then once you remove it, you just want to add it again. Click on add device and then just add your printer again. And now for the last method, just try to restart your computer. Hopefully this will now work for you.